Hey guys, first thing you want to do is gather your supplies. They're also listed in the description of this video. And before you even mix your paste, cut up your newspaper. And these pieces are actually too small. You want to cut them about 2 inches by 4 inches, so just a little bit wider strips. And I also used some really warm water. I microwaved it for about a minute. That just helps dissolve the flour really nice. You get all the clumps out of your paste. It's already pretty thick, so you want it as even as possible because the chunks will dry onto your balloon. If you can hit that like button, I would totally appreciate it. Thanks for watching this video. And what you're going to want to do is just dip your strips in, scrape off any excess, and then place it on your balloon. You want to make sure you overlap the pieces a bit because you don't want any balloon showing through, and if you don't overlap them enough, you're going to get some little splits in your paper mache. So after it's completely dry, like overnight, go ahead and carefully pop the balloon and empty out all the dust. Now you get to do the fun part. I went ahead and added some fake grass, little crinkle paper in there, and then I just piled in my daughter's favorite little toys and surprises. The peeps wouldn't fit, so I cut off the stick. So anyways, then you're going to take that second balloon and blow it up right inside like I did. You're not blowing it up all the way. And then mix another batch of paper mache and go ahead and cover it all the way up to the knot of the balloon. This will leave a little hole at the end, but I just used one more piece of newspaper and some glue stick just to cover that final tiny hole at the top. And that's it. When that's all dried and ready to go, you can decorate it however you want. I gave some fun ideas on my blog site. You can go ahead and check that out at 804 Sycamore. And hit the like button on this video. Leave me your comments. The eggs look awesome as a centerpiece until Easter arrives. Thanks so much for watching.
Happy Easter, everyone! A pet baby surprise. It's so cute. I hope I get it out of it. Ooh, there's some stuff. There's confetti.